Well, hello, friends. I want to talk a little bit today about solar power. I predict that solar power has the potential to increase exponentially using nanotechnology and could satisfy the entire world's need for energy in less than 20 years. Needless to say, the implications of cheap solar power would be truly staggering, revolutionizing virtually every aspect of life in geopolitics. I mean, imagine clean, cheap, efficient, non-polluting energy. Solar power is going to increase exponentially. There's a lot of discussion today about the impracticality of solar energy because it's claimed that it's prohibitively expensive. So what's the truth? How much does it cost? The cost of solar panels is steadily going down, in fact, rapidly going down as a function of cost per watt of power. And as a result of that, the total amount of energy is growing. Power costs are generally measured in cents per kilowatt hour. There was a recent study by Duke University that addressed the cost comparisons. As of 2010, the infrastructure costs and production costs of nuclear and solar are both approximately 15 cents a kilowatt hour. The cost of solar panels is coming down dramatically in cost per watt, and as a result of that, the total amount of solar energy is growing, not linearly, but exponentially. Imagine clean, cheap, efficient, non-polluting energy. No CO2 emissions. No mercury emissions. How far away is solar from meeting 100% of the world's energy needs? Well, our present amount of solar needs to double 8 times. So 8 doublings would be sufficient in the next 16 years to supply us with all of the world's energy needs. Well, if you look at the curve, which I just said was the rate of solar installations has doubled every 2 years, and it has been doing that for 20 years. If that rate of doubling and growth and increased efficiency and cost reductions continues at its present very smooth pace, in less than 20 years, solar energy can supply all of the energy needs for the entire planet. Needless to say, the positive news, despite the recent tragedies in Japan, is that solar power is going to be incredibly cheap in a very short amount of time. The cost of solar photovoltaic power today is equivalent to, at parity with, the cost of producing nuclear power. The cost of producing wind power is about 1/3 of the cost of nuclear power. So take heed, friends. Solar power could do a lot more than its detractors would like to imagine.